Gavana wa kaunti ya Kiambu Kimani wa Matangi ni aruguritie tabarira ya kuhuthira hinya wa solar kaunti-ini ino iria kurikanite ta ANGAZA Kiambu itanya inene ari kunyihanyihia ngarama ya kigina kiria kihuthikaga kuriha thitima.
To avoid further increases in this recurrent expenditure, the Directorate of Utilities, as directed by myself, the Governor, will from now on install only solar street lights.
Akiaria hindi ya uruguri uyu wa Matangi ni augite thirikari yake ihuthagira ciringi bilioni 1 hari marihi ma thitima oro mwaka, kuria thibitari ihuthagira ciringi milioni 500 oro mwaka, na matawa ma barabara-ini makihuthira ciringi milioni 210.
Our county offices and fire stations alone incur monthly power bills of about 1.7 million monthly. So that tells you kwamba ukisema roughly 2 million times 12 months, we spend 24 million annually on consumption of power in our offices. Annually, we spend about 530 million for the water companies. Tuko pamoja jameni?
Na niguo kunyihanyihia ngarama ya uhuthiri wa thitima wa Matangi ni athanite matawa mothe ma barabara kaunti-ini ino mambiririe kuhuthira hinya wa solar gukwakiranira gutambia tabarira ino mathibitari-ini mothe ma Kiambu, wabici ciothe cia thirikari ino, tabarira ciothe cia mai gatagati-ini ga tabarira ingi.
Due to these high power bills, most of the street lights are often turned off. When these bills increase, the power supplier targets sensitive institutions like hospitals, county offices to force payment.
Muthe wa ira gavana wa Matangi ni araruguririe matawa 6,000 ma solar maria megukorwo magitambio icigo-ini itiganite kaunti-ini no mweri-ini uyu.
Na hatusemi ziko kwa port, na hatusemi ziko kwa high seas, tunasema ziko hapa kwetu.
Ihinda-ini riu ni ahoete ambunge kuma kaunti-ini ino hamwe na honge itiganite kunyitanira nake tabarira-ini ino niguo kugacirithia na kurehe uthii wa na mbere kaunti-ini ya Kiambu.